This is Cindy from Creating with the Heart, and I'm back with a Crafty haul. So I had filmed this before, and now I'm having to do a voiceover because my video did not have sound. It's so disappointing to redo these videos. So I apologize if what I'm saying doesn't quite match up with what's happening on screen. I'm doing the best that I can. I bought from a variety of stores. So I think we're going to start with the Pink Fresh Studio. So I had a 15% off coupon for attending their Create and Connect workshop, and I picked up some of their inks, which I'm actually really enjoying, especially for stenciling flowers or for leaves. I like having sort of all of these colors that just are designed to kind of all blend really well together. And so, like, if I want a look where I got a light pink and a medium pink and a dark pink, it's nice to have that all there without me having to search through all of my inks to try and find it. So I did get that from Pink Fresh Studio. And then I believe I'm moving on to scrapbook.com. So scrapbook.com, I did buy a few things. They had some things on clearance. So I bought a couple things on clearance, and actually everything was on sale, I think, except for maybe the acetate. So we're going to start with the Magic Mat. I love it. I wanted to get the longer mat to go in my my bigger machine, because I have a big machine. I think I have a platinum, whatever the Spellbinder's big one is, and then I have the little one, the 6-inch platform. And so I was using the smaller Magic Mat in my larger machine, and I love it so much that I switched it out and put it in my smaller machine and got the larger mat here. And it really does preserve your mats. All you do is put this in place of one of your plates, and it really helps prevent all of that curling and cracking and things that you get with the two plates. It really does work. It is magic. I recommend it highly. And it was a very good price, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then I did pick up a couple of things on clearance. I think we're going to talk about I think it's Dress My Craft, I think that's what it is. And it's these transfer sheets, Dress My Craft transfer sheets. So I'm going to play around with those. I'm hoping to be able to get some time to do a little art journaling, but I've been busy doing a lot of card making. So I got these acetate sheets because I want to make my own infinity cards. And it's very easy to make your own infinity cards. And so, I mean, they're very expensive. So if you try to go to, I don't know who's selling them. Whimsy Stamps, I saw them for $8.95. And you can make these very easily. Right there, I'm showing you the free gift, which is that anniversary stickers. And then I got these clear shakers, the Mickey Mouse. Actually, it's Minnie Mouse. I'm going to use that for a scrapbook album later. And then I got these Echo Park tropical leaves. They were on clearance. So I think I'm going to talk a little bit about the acetate sheets here, but I might just pop that to the next thing. And I think the last thing that I got from scrapbook.com was, I think I got some washi. I think Maggie Holmes washi, the day-to-day washi. I got that because it was a really good price. And I thought it would work really well in my planner because it's designed to go into Maggie Holmes planners. So I did get that. And then I did buy, ironically enough, the Round Trip Maggie Holmes collection. I might not talk about that yet. I might talk about the Hero Arts embossing powder in sand. So I saw this on somebody else's site, and it really did look like sand. So I don't know what's coming. I don't know what's coming up next. I got a lot of things. I think it's me. I think I am opening up because it's packaged all crazy, so it doesn't spill out, I think, or I might be running into something else here. Oh, a couple other things I got from scrapbook.com. I forgot. I got some Dress My Craft. I think I got some like clay pieces. I got a lemon like sequin mix type thing. And then I think I got some hearts or playing card ones too. These are pretty cool. So I'm going to have to play with that and do some shakers with those. And then, yeah, I think this is the playing cards that I got, because I thought that would go really well with all the Alice stuff I have. So, and then I have no idea where I got those candy pieces from, but I got those as well. And then here is, I think I'm going to go over the Peachy Cheap. I think I'm going to go over Peachy Cheap. So Peachy Cheap, they have this bundle that is a Maggie Holmes bundle. So you get the thickers, you get the 6x8 paper, you get the washi weight stickers, and the 2 ephemera packs. So for a pretty reasonable price. So I did get that. And I'm excited about that because, I don't know, I just need more time. Pink and Main. So Pink and Main had a special for Memorial Day where if you spent $25, you got a free floral 6x6 paper pad. And I actually used that in a couple of projects. So it's called Fantastic Florals. That was free, just for spending $25. And I did look and see, I don't think I have any of the products I did buy. I thought maybe I had the magical, but I didn't, not that I could see. So I got these postage stamp dies, and then I got the It's Magical plus the magical dies, and then I got this cloud frame die. So I got those, plus I got that pad for free. And then, oh, here is the Sand Hero Arts embossing powder. So I saw someone use this, and when they embossed it, they did like a beach scene, and they embossed this, and it really did look like sand. It was amazing, had some texture, and so I wanted to try it. I can't remember. I want to say I got it from scrapbook.com, but don't quote me on that. But I'm excited to try that because it looks really cool. So I did get that. I have been embossing a lot more than I have been, so there you go. So I was having not a lot of success, and then some new products came on the market that have made embossing a lot easier, and I might do a video on that. And then this calls for confetti. I fell in love with the sequins that I got from Not Too Shabby Shop, so I went to this calls for confetti and bought a bunch of sequins and confetti type thingies for shakers. So I think these are all the Boca line. It's like a pink and then a lemon colored one, and then this light blue, and this iridescent. And so these don't have holes in them. They're like confetti, only they're shiny like sequins. So they're pretty cool. And then I did get a bunch of mixes too. So you can see what I got there. And then a couple of mixes. That one's really pretty. I don't even know what that one is, but super pretty. And then just a red. And then here is a red, white, and blue, so like a 4th of July type mix. And that one's very cute. And then this one is, let's see, I think that one's like a lemon or a lime, some kind of citrusy one. I think, I can't really tell. And that's the one that I had to buy. It's Campfire, and it has little like marshmallows with little faces on them, and then like a little fire and little sticks. So it's basically s'mores, and it's so cute. So I had to get it. I'm gonna do some kind of shaker with that because I got to use those. And then this is a really beautiful mix. It's black and pink, but the pink is like these roses. And then that's like a Peachy one. I think I already have that one, but I got another one for shipping, you know. And then this one, not sure what that one is, but super pretty. And you're going to be seeing these. I'm going to be doing lots and lots of shakers and things like that because, you know, all these shaker bits are amazing. And then that was like a birthday one. This one is watermelons, so cute. And this one's cherries. So I've got a couple cherry things, and so I'm gonna be making some things with those cherry ones. And so that is my haul. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with a Heart.